Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good in FC Mobile. First, let's master the fundamental controls. Practice precise passing, powerful shooting, and timely tackling to gain an edge. Understanding player roles and choosing the right formation, like a 4-3-3 or 4-4-2, is crucial for team synergy. Don't forget to practice skill moves. They are essential for beating defenders and creating space for scoring. For effective offense, focus on quick, incisive passing. Use through balls to send attackers behind the defense and execute 1-2 passes to maintain possession and create openings. When shooting, aim for the far post or the top and bottom corners. These areas are harder for goalkeepers to reach. Also, leverage your wingers to deliver accurate crosses into the penalty area for headers and volleys. Strong defense is key to winning matches. Learn to apply pressure with a second defender, but be careful not to pull players out of position. Master the standing tackle. It's a precise way to win the ball without committing fouls. Always track back with your midfielders to provide defensive support and close down passing lanes, preventing opponents from building attacks through the center. Beyond the pitch, smart team management is vital. Consistently upgrade your players' skills and ranks to boost their overall attributes, making them more effective in every position. Actively participate in daily events and challenges. They offer excellent opportunities to earn valuable coins and player rewards. Finally, always be ready to adapt your tactics mid-match, adjusting your formation or play style to counter your opponent's strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.